CH9141K BLE UART converter can realize the transparent transmission between Bluetooth and serial port. After one of the interfaces receives data, the converter will send the data to the other interface. Compared with the traditional USB UART converter, the CH9141K BLE UART converter has fewer restrictions and more applicable scenarios. The tools needed to use the BLE UART converter can be downloaded from the WCH official website. Click Search. Enter 9141 in the search box. The datasheet for the CH9141K is in the search results. Click to download. We have some tools that don't support English yet, so we need to go to the Chinese section to download. Switch the language to Chinese. Click Search. Enter BLE into the search box. There are interface libraries for BLE and serial ports for multiple system platforms in the search results. Click to download. There are also software for BLE analog serial ports for multiple system platforms in the search results. Click to download. Enter COM into the search box. There is serial debugging software in the search results. Click to download. These are the tools that were just downloaded. The BLE UART app folder contains BLE analog serial port software in Android, iOS, Linux, WeChat mini program, and Windows. The software in Android and Linux needs to be sent to the corresponding system for installation. The software in iOS and WeChat mini program can be downloaded and installed according to the instruction manual. The software in Windows is an instant version. The BLE UART lib folder contains interface libraries for BLE and serial ports in Android, iOS, Linux, and Windows. This is the datasheet of CH9141K. In the COM transmit folder is the serial port debugging software, which is used to send and receive serial port data. Next, let's demonstrate common application scenarios. The first application scenario is that one end of the serial port is connected to the embedded device, and the other end is connected to the computer via Bluetooth. The serial port data is sent and received on the computer through Bluetooth. This is a real machine demo. The USB port of the computer is connected to a USB UART converter, which is used to simulate the serial port of the embedded device. Connect the serial port of the USB UART converter and the serial port of the BLE UART together. The serial port debugging software is used to control the sending and receiving of serial data of the USB UART converter. Click the settings of the BLE analog serial port software. Select the CH9141K Bluetooth to be connected. Double-click to connect. Then back to the main interface. You can send and receive serial port data just like common serial port debugging software. Tick circular send. Start sending. Stop sending. The roles of sender and receiver are interchanged. Tick circular send. Start sending. Stop sending. Untick circular send. Clear. Set the AT command to make the CH9141K enter AT mode. Set the command to get firmware version number. Set the exit AT command. CH9141K defaults to transparent transmission mode. Make it into AT mode by AT command. Only after exiting AT mode can CH9141K continue to transparently transmit data. The second application scenario is that one end of the serial port is connected to the embedded device, and the other end of the Bluetooth is connected to the mobile phone. Send and receive serial data on the mobile phone through Bluetooth. This is a real machine demo. First open the BLE Analog Serial Port app. Then select the CH9141K Bluetooth to be connected. Click Connect. Then return to the main interface to send and receive serial data. Tick circular send. Start sending. Stop sending. The roles of sender and receiver are interchanged. Start sending. Stop sending. The third application scenario requires two CH9141Ks. The two serial ports are respectively connected to two embedded devices. One of the two CH9141Ks is the Bluetooth host, and the other is a Bluetooth slave, and they communicate through a Bluetooth connection. In this scenario, two embedded devices can realize serial communication wirelessly. The circuit schematic of CH9141K BLE UART converter is very simple. Except for CH9141K, there is only one 32 million crystal resonator and two 1 microfarad capacitors. It should be noted that the selected crystal resonators need to meet the following requirements. First, the value of the load capacitor is 20 picofarads. CH9141K has built-in 16 picofarads load capacitor, so it's not necessary to provide it separately. Second, the frequency tolerance is plus or minus 20 ppm. Third, ESR needs to be less than 40 ohms. Fourth, the operating temperature range is minus 40 to 85 degrees Celsius. The selected capacitor needs to meet the following requirements. First, the dielectric is X5R. Second, the operating temperature range is minus 40 to 85 degrees Celsius. The BLE of CH9141K complies with the Bluetooth 4.2 specification. As a host, it can only scan and connect to CH9141X series chips. As a slave, UUID hexadecimal FFF1 is used to send the data received by the serial ports to the host, and UUID hexadecimal FFF2 is used to receive the data sent by the host and send it out through the serial port. The default baud rate of the serial port is 150,000 200 bits per second, and it provides a variety of AT command configuration functions.